Ure. I'm an Extension Educator for the University of Idaho Extension, and I serve in the Bear Lake and Caribou County offices. Today we're going to be talking about foam grip tubes. These tubes came in a pack of 6. I received 2 of each color, and they are different in their diameters of what the hole is in the middle of them. These are very helpful for those with arthritis hands or Parkinson's, something that helps to stabilize and have an easier grip. So they start out full length, and I have cut a few to length. So sometimes those spatulas are hard to keep a hold of, especially when you're cooking. You need to have that firm grip for safety. So I've put one on a spatula, and then different kinds of spatulas. The grater, same thing. You want that grip so that you can have safety and independence as you're cooking. I have kept one out. You can make them the length that works for your utensils, but they're as easy to cut as just a piece of paper with the scissors. So you cut them to length, and then you can just slide them on to the utensil that you choose. This is a cooking segment, but other people have used these for pencils, crochet hooks, toothbrushes, shavers, those daily living tasks that you just need a little bit more of a grip. So again, sometimes you need several of them to do different diameters of items. One tip that I would recommend is if you have a hard time getting these on and off, you may need somebody to come and change these, but it gives you independence long term, even if they have to help you to get them set up.